Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. We have a little bit of a different style video today. I am in my bathroom and we are just gonna do a really cute nighttime routine. Get unready with me, or an updated nighttime skin routine, and it's gonna be super chilled, just unwinding. It's been a really warm, hot day. So yeah, I just thought we'd have a little chat, show you some products that I use and stuff, and something like that. Why not? Mix it up, you know, mix it up. So I have never really done a video like this, so I'm a bit curious. But yeah, how has your day been? What have you been up to? I feel like today I have just been back to back working and I'm so warm. I don't even know why I'm wearing this gown right now. I literally just put it on so I don't look naked on camera, do you know what I mean? But yeah, you know when your eyes are so tired that they're dry, and I'm literally just drinking water. Like usually by this point I might have like a herbal tea or a tea to help me sleep, but I cannot be drinking tea right now, guys. I'm so warm. So I'm going to maybe even have a cold shower so that I sleep well. I'm not really sleeping that good recently because it's just so hot in my house and I don't have a fan. But yeah, this water is saving my life. And actually this is like one of my favorite water bottles. It's from Frank Green, right here. It's got a really big straw, so when you drink from it, it's just like you get loads of water. It's a really good way, if you struggle drinking water during the day, it's a really good way to just keep hydrated. Okay, so we're gonna start off with just taking off my lashes. I had quite a few DMs today actually asking what lashes these were, and I honestly don't know. I honestly cannot even remember what lashes these are, but they were one lash and I just cut them in half and I put them on the outer corners, but they're really nice. I feel like I need to bring out like a half lash because I've been loving them recently and I just love that look on my eyes. To take off my makeup, what are we gonna use? What are we gonna use? I feel really lucky that I have this huge cupboard and I take up most of it just for myself because I'm high maintenance apparently. No, I'm joking. But you guys have seen it before. Let me kind of show you a little bit what it's like. So over here we've got some hair bits, cleansers, toners, contact lens stuff, micro needling, cotton pads, buds, body moisturizers, toners, face masks, hair masks, all that jazz. And then I also have my water flosser and my toothbrush as well. This is the brand new one I got from Oral-B. It's actually really good, guys. Really would recommend it. And it's very sleek. Look, she's very sophisticated right there. So I always look at this and I'm like, what shall I use today? So usually I start off with, where's my hair clip? Okay, wait 1 sec. Let me find my hair clip, 1 sec. Guys, this is not gonna be a glamorous video, okay? This is gonna be very real. So I normally, oh my god, I'm gonna look so ugly in this video, but I hate washing my hair. It's so long. So I wash my hair maybe like 2 to 3 times a week. And to keep it from getting ruined, I'll literally put it in a bun. And I can put it in a bun. I just put it in a little roll. I know I don't look sexy. I don't care right now. I've got a man, so there's no one to look sexy for anymore. So I might use the Wishful Skin, or should I use Fenty? What should I use? Oh, actually, do you know what? I'm gonna use Fenty because last time I really wanted to see if this removed like loads of makeup. I'm not wearing like super heavy makeup, but I am wearing makeup today. So I'm gonna try Fenty Skin and see if that actually gets rid of it. Oh my god, this is really warm. I don't wanna look naked. I know the DMs, everyone's gonna be like, oh my god, you're naked. Let's go ahead with this. I'm gonna use cold water for this whole thing. Apparently this will just melt everything off. So let's do it. So let's, I think it actually means to apply on wet hands. This does actually lather up really nicely, guys. All right, let's do it. Oh my god, this is the best feeling. Oh my god, this is the best feeling right now. So I haven't got loads of makeup on, so I'm expecting really amazing results where this will just take it all off. Otherwise, your boy will be disappointed. Oh, you know what? I feel like it took the makeup off, but it does sting your eyes a bit, guys. Yeah, I feel like that never happens with the Wishful Balm. You can go really close to it and like take off your mascara, but that stings. Okay, I'm also gonna go
in the shower
and get my cleanser. I always do 2 cleansers, always do this. This is Dr. Dennis Gross. I've actually been loving this so much. Apparently, there's no such product which gets rid of pores or makes your pores smaller. Apparently, I read this recently. So I was like, what? Because this definitely makes my pores look super tight. So we're just gonna go with this one. This one doesn't lather as good, guys, so it's not gonna look as good on camera. But it's a really good cleanser. Do I look cute now? I feel like I'm doing an Instagram makeup removal video. It's actually really funny. Alright guys, so I'm sorry if the lighting's a bit weird here, because like I'm just, this room's not built for like filming, do you know what I mean? It's just an ensuite. So I'm literally just gonna dry my face. Yeah, so I'm just gonna use some makeup remover just on my eyes to make sure I get rid of the mascara, because I feel like, why do I look so pale in this light? What's going on? Yeah. Okay, so obviously you guys know that this year I am the face for Vichy. I'm so blown away to be an ambassador for this brand, because it's actually amazing. This isn't sponsored. I genuinely use a lot of their products. I love it. I feel like it's very affordable, it's really accessible, and they're really, really good. So this is, a lot of their words are French, okay, so bear with me. This is the waterproof eye makeup remover, and it's called Purité Thermal. I hope I'm saying this. It is suitable for sensitive eyes, and it's like a 2-in-1, and you just kind of shake it. This is their mini one. They also have a bigger one, and look how much I've used already. I've gone through so many of these as well. So this is just really good for just removing your eye makeup and mascara, anything close to the lash line. And you can see, look, there's still stuff coming out. So my cleansers didn't do that job. So yeah, I'm just gonna take that off. And this is completely safe to use on the eye area, which is just great. And you want to be nice and delicate around that area. Like so. Look at all that stuff that came out. Look. Ew, gross, gross, gross. At this point, my skin feels soft. It feels clean. It doesn't feel crazy. It doesn't feel tight. So I'm going to be using this product from Paula's Choice. It's their 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, and it has salicylic acid in it. It's amazing.
So good.
I've already finished one of these before, and I loved it. And then I thought, you know when you just don't realize how good that product was? And I got it again, and I'm like, oh yeah, this was good. Why did I stop using this? Why? So what it is basically, it is a liquid exfoliator. I'm a huge fan of these. It means it just gets rid of any dead skin. It's not too abrasive. It's not like those exfoliators with beads. And salicylic acid is basically really good for people who have got congested skin, blemish prone skin. If you've got bigger pores, it's normally because there's congestion in there. So this just really cleans them out. So I feel like I don't have to like squeeze my spots or anything like that anymore. A little bit of water. So we're literally gonna go ahead and saturate 2 cotton pads and just pop this on our skin. And I actually feel like you see the difference straight away. I'm gonna show you how my skin looks after this goes, because honestly, I actually do feel like it makes a difference. So yeah, you just saturate those 2 pads like this. And then you're just gonna go through. I'm gonna like bring you guys closer as well, okay, don't worry. Yeah, it doesn't sting, it doesn't burn, and I usually do this every single night. I'm not sure if you're meant to do this every day, but when you see results, you do it. So I'm literally just going ahead. I do normally go a little bit red when I just rub my skin, so don't be alarmed by that. Whenever I have a facial, they're like, oh, you're a little bit red, are you sensitive? I'm like, honestly, my skin is like leather. It goes away after like 10 minutes. But yeah, this feels so nice. Yeah, look at my skin, guys. Honestly, can you see the difference? I feel like it gives you this luminous look. I hope you guys can see it. I hope the camera is actually focusing, but like, yeah, I really, really like it. I feel like it gives you very, very quick results. You might be a little bit red, but it will calm down, so do not worry about that. Don't be worried. Okay, so at this point is where I will brush my teeth, and then I kind of like wrap it up in here, and I usually go over to bed, and then on my bedside table I've got all of my nighttime skincare, so that's what I kind of do. But I might bring it in here just to kind of show you what I'm doing, because it's a bit easier otherwise. I don't know where I'm going to put the camera, do you know what I mean? So yeah, the toothpaste I'm using is the Oral-B White, 3D White Lux. perfection. Honestly, I feel like Oral-B have so many whitening toothpaste. I'm so overwhelmed. I don't know what does what. If you are in the US, you guys have the Crest one, and that's the one I love. I've run out. So if anyone wants to send me Crest, or Crest, if you're watching, please, I love it. Please send it. So what's really cool about this toothbrush, guys, let me just tell you, is that it has a little screen here, look. You can change the settings to do different things, like tongue cleaning, daily clean, and it's Bluetooth connected, and you can actually see it on the phone, like, and measure like how you're doing it. It also has a timer, and it's for like 2 minutes, but 2 minutes is such a long time. And if you don't do 2 minutes, it has a sad face, so let's do it. Okay guys, so at this point, teeth are clean, face is clean, all feeling squeaky good. So we are going to continue with our nighttime skin routine. I literally just grabbed some bits from my bedside table, but I always mix it up before I go to sleep. It's really just depending on what my skin is doing. So if, I feel like this is a very bad angle with the double chin, but it's fine. If my skin's really dry, then I will use more hydration. If it's actually a bit spotty, I'll use something else, more salicylic acid based products. If I feel like it just needs a bit of revitalization, then more retinol based products. So really I just change it. My serum I'm gonna use is this vitamin C capsule from Elizabeth Arden. It kind of comes in this tube thing, and in here are like little capsules, which is super cool and very easy, because you know that the product's going to be fresh and you know exactly how much of the product to use. So you just twist this around, guys, and then you just, hopefully this works on camera. It always works for it. Ah, it's going everywhere. So you know exactly how much product to use. I really like these capsules. And they've got a retinol one and another one as well, but I forgot. I think it's like a ceramide one. So yeah, just pop that on. Oh, it feels so nice. Yes, skin, yes. And I love skincare. Like, I feel like we all know how much I love skincare. Like, skincare is so close to my heart, because growing up I had really bad skin and I was insecure about it, guys. I was very insecure about my skin. It was just not cute. Okay, eye cream, we're gonna do this Magic Eye Rescue Cream from Charlotte Tilbury. Ooh, she feeling bougie. But I feel like Charlotte Tilbury is very accessible again. Like, everyone, you guys love this brand. Everyone loves this brand. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop that underneath. This one's a bit like an eye mask. So it's super cute, just like that. And once we've got that on, then I'm gonna go in with this lip balm. I got this in Paris when I was there. Why is this not focusing? It's really annoying. Oh, there you go. Okay, so I got this one from Paris. It's called L'Energie. I don't know, but it smells amazing. It smells like berries. So it looks like this. You can see it's still brand new, but it's really nice. I absolutely love it. So I just take a little bit. Guys, this tastes, I don't know if it tastes, but it smells like mixed berries. And then I also got one that I think was peach. So good, so good. I've never used this brand before. Like, I just saw it in Paris. I was like, a lip sleeping mask, need it. And then for our moisturizer, I'm gonna go in with this LMS Pillow Talk. Is it Pillow Talk? Yeah, Plumping Pillow Facial. This smells so good. I love the smell of like skincare. So I'm just gonna use, my skin's actually quite good recently, so I'm gonna use around about that much, and then just pop that on. And I always do my neck. Like, do not forget about your neck, guys, because your face is exposed to the sun, but so is your neck. Like, even when you put SPF, try to put it on your neck as well. And then any excess in your body. Woo! I'm in such a crazy mood today. What's wrong with me? Okay, so that's kind of what I would do. And then what I finish, I then just lie in bed. Sometimes I sleep with a hair clip on. Sometimes I don't. And then I put this bad boy on. This is from, what's the brand called again? Slip. It is a silk eye mask, and it has Taurus, because I'm a Taurus, you know. And yeah, you literally just pop this on and I go to sleep. That's it. And I actually feel like, you know what, I wear this because I feel like when I actually wear this, I have a solid sleep. Like nothing wakes me up. I'll literally, there's no light or anything that wakes me up. I'll just sleep throughout the whole night. So I'll just improve my quality of sleep. My hair's coming out the clip now. I'm like, okay, now you're gonna test me. But yeah, that is everything that I do. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's the end of this very raw, real video going on. So I really hope that you guys have enjoyed my evening and skincare routine. This is just kind of what I do. I might just jump in the shower. I'm not gonna wash my face, but I'm just gonna wash my body just because it's so hot here in London to cool me down so that I sleep better. But yeah, I hope you have really enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. And also don't forget to click the bell as well so that you get a notification every single time I post a brand new video. I post 2 videos a week. I'm actually gonna be going away, so I'm still gonna be posting on YouTube, so don't worry. But yeah, I'm really excited. It's gonna be super chilled. And yeah, that's about everything, guys. I hope that you are feeling nice and relaxed, ready for bed. Or maybe it's the morning and you're like, I need to wake up and get stuff done. But until next time, I will see you soon. Bye, guys. Bye.